Hey everybody, today I've got the top 6 pepper mills on Amazon and the Man Kitchen pepper mill. And what I'm going to do is I've adjusted these all to a similar grind setting, mesh size pepper, so that we can get a true look at the difference in output between all of these pepper mills. And I'm just going to do this quickly. I've marked each of these with tape so that I can easily see when I have done the same number of revolutions. So I'm going to do 3 cranks from each pepper mill on this white piece of paper. 1, 2, 3. One, 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 2, 3. And finally, one, 2, 3. And what you can see is the Man Kitchen pepper cannon puts out way more pepper than any of the top 6. Pepper cannon, other 6 top selling and top rated pepper mills on Amazon. If you would like to know how you can get these results, the pepper cannon is not out yet. It will be out soon. We're going to be running a Kickstarter for it. If you'd like to be on the list of people who get notified when it first becomes available, so you can save a ton of money on it, there will be a link in the description for where you can go to sign up and be on that list. Thanks for watching.